Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of delicious, refreshing mango sorbet. I have prepared this dessert using ice cream maker. You can also make this without ice cream maker. Let's see how to prepare this mango sorbet. Firstly, I have to prepare simple syrup. For that, take half a cup of sugar and half a cup of water in a saucepan. Heat it until the sugar melts. Switch off the flame once the sugar is melted. Add in juice of half a lime. Simple syrup is ready now. I am preparing this mango sorbet using the mangoes from our garden. I have sliced 6 mangoes here. Use good quality mango for better taste. Grind the pulp nicely without adding water. Totally we need 2 cups of mango pulp, so take mangoes accordingly. Add in the simple syrup into the mango pulp. Add in the simple syrup little by little and mix it nicely. Mango sorbet mix is ready now. Now place the sorbet mix in refrigerator for 2 hours. If you do not have ice cream maker means you can set this mix in freezer for 2 hours. I have also prepared mango and strawberry yogurt ice cream using the ice cream maker. I'll share this recipe soon in our channel. I have taken the sorbet mix out of the fridge. I have placed this in fridge and not in the freezer. This is our ice cream maker and the lid has the pedal and the machine in it. Here comes the ice cream container which has liquid in it. Freeze the ice cream container in freezer for overnight or until the liquid is solidified. Pour in the mango sorbet mix. Close it immediately and switch on the machine. The machine has start button as well as timer. I have set the time to 30 minutes. Now you can relax and the ice cream maker does its job perfectly. If you do not have ice cream maker means set this mix in freezer for 2 hours. After 2 hours, beat it nicely using an electric beater or wire whisk. Repeat it for a couple of times and set it in freezer for 6 hours. Follow these procedures if you do not have ice cream maker. Mango sorbet is almost ready now. I am transferring the mango sorbet mix into this glass container. Set this mango sorbet in freezer for 3 to 4 hours. You can prepare variety of sorbet using fresh fruits. This is tender coconut ice cream which I made using this ice cream maker. I'll share this recipe soon in our channel. Sorbet is frozen fruit based ice which doesn't have milk or cream in it. Mango sorbet has set perfectly. Look at the texture of the sorbet. It's so creamy and looks refreshing. Aromatic, delicious mango sorbet is ready to be served now. Do try this sorbet and share me the feedback. You can try this if you do not have ice cream maker as well. If you try this recipe, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Garnish it with mint leaf. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. If you like mangoes, this is going to be a favorite one. This is so creamy and full of mango flavor. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.